Major Mohitma, your lordships.
मेजर मोहित
Mohitma.
मोहितमा, आप गलत तो मत बताया करिए मिस्टर विक्रम सिंह।
Lordship, 3 years
अब
is from
3
the
years
date
टू
of.
कंप्लीट कब आए आपकी कॉलेज में, बताइए। हाँ
Yes.
मैडम आप बताइए।
Your lordships, in 2020, when there was a surprise raid, there was some excess stores found. Accordingly, we started
एक्स्ट्रा स्टोर्स वर फाउंड।
yes, some clothing irregularities. Certain stores were mismatching from the control vouchers.
Ji.
Accordingly, we ordered a court of inquiry, which is a fact-finding body. It is akin to a police investigation.
Ji.
When we completed that court of inquiry, that a total of 9 people have committed various lapses.
जी
Out of which one of the individual is the petitioner in the instant case.
This petition, the prayer is of two folds, my lord. Firstly, annexure A1 at page 15, that is the order of attachment 2020 onwards, and till date it has not been completed.
तो ये आर्म फोर्स ट्राइब्यूनल में नहीं जाएगा क्या?
My lord, attachment is not a service matter, my lord, as per this rule, armed force tribunal rules, my lord.
जी
ये सेक्शन 11 कहता है माय लॉर्ड, इसमें jurisdiction and powers से may I read this, my lord?
हाँ प्लीज प्लीज।
Section 11 says that, my lord, save as otherwise expressly provided in this act, the tribunal shall exercise on and from the appointed day all the jurisdiction, power and authority exercisable immediately before that day by all courts except the Supreme Court or the High Court exercising jurisdiction under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution in relation to all service matter.
तो
And
डिसिप्लिनरी प्रोसीडिंग के कारण आपको अटैच किया गया है।
My lord, and service matter says that, my lord, that
डिसिप्लिनरी प्रोसीडिंग इज अ सर्विस मैटर एंड so
and
if you want any relief in regard to the disciplinary proceedings, as you said that your disciplinary proceedings are pending since 2020, you are required to approach armed force tribunal.
Even I've taken this objection also in my reply also. Lordship. In
my
respect of the
submission is that,
maintainability
my
of
lord,
this.
they are
And the other action is consequential.
Yes.
The moment disciplinary authority disciplinary proceedings will come to an end, आप इसको withdraw करके वहां जाइए armed force
My
tribunal में।
lord, my submission is that this attachment order is not a disciplinary matter.
ठीक है, तो ऑर्डर ले लीजिए फिर,
My lord.
merits पे ले लीजिए।
My
देखिएगा
lord, this attachment,
in the petition, petitioner has claimed relief of not only quashing of the order dated 6/4/2023 issued by the respondents, but has also sought relief directing the respondents to conclude the disciplinary proceedings in a stipulated time frame in the interest of justice. कितना टाइम लगेगा आपको?
3 years का तो स्टेशन में प्रोवाइड Lordship.
तो अभी कब शुरू हुई थी?
122 Lordship. Summary of evidence has already been concluded so far as the petitioner is concerned, Lordship. There are 4 other accused persons in respect of whom, Lordship, the summary of evidence has to be concluded, and after that the meeting would be convened just to decide whether the trial has to be
कितने टाइम
commenced or
में,
not.
कितने दिन में हो जाएगा ये?
Lordship, there are 4 other accused persons, Lordship. Still we have the time, Lordship. The time which has been
3 साल का
prescribed
time
in
है।
the act, Lordship, 3 years.
2020 में चार्जशीट दी थी ना आपने?
Yes. No. Also, from the date of the direction when the disciplinary proceeding has to be initiated, that is 8th of February 2023 also. So the limitation will start from this date itself.
court of inquiry initiated in the month of February 2020, my lord. From since 2020.
प्रोविजन बताइएगा, वो प्रोविजन बताइएगा, 3 साल का जो लिमिटिंग है
Yes. 122 also.
122 itself says.
हाँ दीजिएगा।
Also, just my kindly appreciate 122B. Where the commission of an offence was not known to the persons aggrieved by the offence or to the authority competent to initiate action, the first day on which such offence comes to the knowledge of such persons or authority, whichever is earlier.
जी फिर
3 years के तरफ
ये तो 3 साल का पीरियड तो दिया है टू कमेंस द प्रोसीडिंग्स।
Yes.
कंप्लीशन का क्या पीरियड दिया हुआ है? आप गलत तो मत बताया करिए मिस्टर विक्रम सिंह।
Your Lordship, 3 years is from
3
the
years
date
to
of.
complete, there are 2 different things.
Yes.
Section 122 says period of limitation for trial, except as provided by subsection 2, no trial by court martial of any person subject to this act for any offence shall be commenced after the expiration of a period of 3 years.
3 years.
So that is to initiate the proceedings. That is not to conclude the proceedings.
No. We have not started the trial, Your Lordship. It has to be decided whether the trial has to be commenced against these persons or not. It has been the stage of preemptory jurisdiction. And this lordship may kindly appreciate.
And such period of 3 years shall commence on the date of the offence or where the commission of the offence was not known to the person aggrieved by the offence or to the authority competent to initiate action the first day on which such offence comes to the knowledge. 2020 में आपको नॉलेज में आ गया ये?
No.
कब आया आपकी नॉलेज में? बताइए. हाँ मैडम, आप बताइए.
Your Lordships. Your Lordships, in 2020, when there was a surprise raid, there was some excess stores found. Accordingly, we started a
Extra stores were found.
yes, some clothing irregularities. Certain stores were mismatching from the control vouchers.
Ji.
Accordingly, we ordered a court of inquiry, which is a fact-finding body. It is akin to a police investigation.
Ji.
When we completed that court of inquiry, that
When was it
investigation.
completed?
I'll just tell you, Lordships. वो page आपका clear है? It completed 23rd of 20, sorry, it completed on 8th February 23. That is when the knowledge,
Initiated in 2020.
Your Lordship, the surprise check happened on January 20. After that, the court of inquiry was convened August 20,
हाँ.
21st
It's a
August.
January 20 surprise check.
Yes, that's where we realized that certain clothing irregularities under.
That is the time on the date when you came to know of the offence.
But we did not know how many people are involved in this.
20 में court of inquiry हुआ.
We convened a court of inquiry which got concluded, and finally the competent authority came to the direction that a total of 9 people have committed various lapses,
जी.
out of which one of the individual is the petitioner in the instant case.
जी.
So when
समरी बनाकर दीजिए, इसको सुनते हैं. सब काट दीजिए, इसको लिखिएगा. आपका शुभ नाम बताइएगा.
Major Mohitma, Your Lordships.
Major
Mohitma.
Prays for time to give a summary of the events, so to point out as to whether the matter is within the period of limitation, so to fulfill the requirements of section 122 of the Army Act 1950. कितने दिन में देंगे आप summary?
2 weeks, Your Lordships.
Prays for and is granted 2 weeks time to do the needful list in the week commencing 29 जनवरी 2024.
Obliged.